iPhone XR, and let me show you how to reset home screen layout on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose General. Here let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose Reset. From the following options, let's select Reset Home Screen Layout. So this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults. If you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's choose Reset Home Screen. That's it, you just restored the default settings to your home screen layout, so everything went well. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.